To transfer money using the FirstBank USSD code, start by activating the service. Dial *894# on your phone. Select the option to register, and follow the prompts to enter your FirstBank account number. Create a 5-digit PIN. Confirm it, and you're ready to begin. To initiate a transfer, dial *894# again. Choose the transfer option, and enter the recipient's account number and bank. Next, key in the transfer amount. Confirm the transaction details, and authorize the transaction with your PIN. The benefits of using this USSD code include instant transfers to any bank, no requirement for internet connectivity, and compatibility with any phone. The code is available 24 hours a day, every day. If a transaction is not permitted, it may indicate that your account is being restricted by the bank, in which case you should visit the bank to resolve the issue. By following these simple steps, you can easily transfer money using the FirstBank USSD code.